Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Word document to Google Docs. First, open your Google Drive account. Then click on the new button with the plus sign and choose File Upload. Browse your computer and select the Word document you want to convert. For example, mine is on the desktop. Click Open. Once the upload is complete, you will see the Word document in your Google Drive files. Right-click on the file. Select Open With and then click on Google Docs from the menu. This will open your Word document in the Google Docs interface. Next, click on File in the top left corner and select Save as Google Docs. Google Docs will automatically save your document to your Google Drive. If you go back to your main Google Drive interface, you will see the converted Google Docs file right there. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.